So here I am taking out the blower fan in my XC90. So there are five screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the hardest one. The problem with this is that there's a it's covered by the firewall, I mean the body of the car, so you wouldn't be able to like put in a screw there to loosen it up, so you have to move it a little bit. And in order to do that, you have to like loosen this one and force it to move a little bit sideways to give you clearance. Then the other one is you have to take out the insulation there at that area. This is where it's located. This one, it's over here. So you really have to clear this insulation because there's no way for you to like move a screwdriver or a Torx driver in here and loosen it up, or even like putting it back again. So yeah, most people take out the tabs here and just use the 4 screws, but I don't want to do that. I want them to be tight and secure. So yep, the key there is to use this one and then push it a little bit inwards to give you space. There's not much space though, it's gonna be tight, so the screw might probably not go in really good in this one, but we'll see. Well, we're almost done, so I think it's better to leave the cap off first and then screw it last here, so that you'll have like full access down there. And three of the bolts are already in place. So we got the one over there and the remaining. Then I think you got one over here, and there's one over there. So 1, 2, 3, and then the one that's hidden over there, and then the one for the cap. So this is pretty much my setup. So I got the big screwdriver here, wedge on that side, and then another pry tool here to make it move a little bit towards inside. So I was able to put back the screw in, but yeah, it's really tough. So I have to put the cover back, and this should be accessible and not that hard. Yeah, I put a shirt in here so that whenever the screw falls, it will not go under the carpet, which is really tough to fish out. Yeah, this is not an easy job. Okay, now I'm testing the fan. I'm not hearing any chirp sound. Usually I could hear it at the lower level. Not hearing anything, even though I haven't bolted the 2 main bolts here yet. Yeah, this is way better than the old one. Tightening these 2 bolts back. this. Then I'm gonna put the vent hose back. I could actually smell some moisture in here, down in the carpet. Yeah, this hose needs to be secured properly. Otherwise, it's gonna be a mess. And this is tied. Yeah, I didn't put battery. Well, it should be okay though. Yeah, this one was like, oh, I think probably I could put the zip tie on one of the. Yeah, I don't know. Probably this is making a noise. Well, I broke my my handle for the glove box. Gotta fix it. I don't know if super glue could do it, but no more noise, no more chirping noise. Only the wind blowing, cold wind. Yep. Nice. Chirping, annoying sound.